Do you hear that? So soothing. I love the sound of water.
I love having water in the garden, and as you can tell, it's fascinating to have there as well. But if you're small on space, you can't exactly put in a pond or something like that, and that's where these pot fountains come in handy.
I love them. Now, there are all sorts of sizes. What if I have a beautiful pot at home? Can I incorporate that in a disappearing water fountain?
Most likely. It's best to, have somebody check it out and make sure it's a glazed pot that can withstand, the cool temperatures. It's frost protected. Yes.
Yep.
And then it will be drilled, and then we simply put a PVC standpipe in there, and that's what's creating that little bubble there.
Well, I have one in my garden and I love it. So they installed it in hours, and basically the maintenance is just filling it up with water occasionally, and I just
correct.
Love it.
Yeah. So, and you can have a number of different ways of having this one. You can bury the basin into the ground where it disappears.
Okay.
If you have a patio space, you can simply put some chopstone around the side to hide the basin. And yeah, it's as simple as bringing your garden hose over, filling it up, usually about once a week in the heat of the summer. If you don't like algae, you just put in a little algicide once a week as well, and there it is, that beautiful water sound for you.
Well, Mary, thank you so much.